Guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix YouTube is lagging in Opera GX. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings here and then on search you just need to write acceleration, right? Acceleration, right? So as you can see here, there is use graphic acceleration when available. So if it's on, turn it off and look if the problem persists and relaunch the Opera GX and do vice versa. If it's off, turn it on and it should help you. So this is the first step. Another thing, you may know that YouTube ads there is an option in Opera GX that you can block YouTube ads. So, and it's basically sometimes will be auto-enabled. And so what you need to do here is to disable block trackers and block ads, because YouTube working towards basically disabling this option, and sometimes it can be laggy if you use block ads option. So turn it off ads and look if the problem persists. Another thing is RGX, right? Make sure RGX is turned off completely as well, because it can mess up your YouTube as well. So these three options should be off. The last thing is flags. So open the new window here, and then you just need to write flags, and do not press on Google search. Look for Opera, and then should be this link here that says flag. And then on search, you just need to write angle. And then usually it's on default, but if you're having issues with YouTube, then try these different options one by one and look if you're still experiencing the lag on YouTube or not. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.